flash. I don't see it. Is this a piece of toy? I do not like toys. I like gadgets, of course. Oh, beautiful. Yes, marvelous. I like saying that word indeed. Now, beautiful, darling, look at me. You're going to imagine you are in a long lake. And you are with your beloved husband. And give a look at him, you know. Just say hi to him. No?
Hello.
Oh, hello, yes. Oh my, that is a little bit too much, you know, think. Oh yes, just say hi, A little girl, babe, yes, that's right. Oh, beautiful, a little mwah, you know, a little smush. That's right. Oh, beautiful. Oh, too much. Oh, no. Great. Oh, yes. What's the music for? I do not like dancing.
Sophie.
No. What are you trying to do here? Are you trying to seduce me or something? I'm England, you know. I do not go for those, you know. And then, no. You are going to pose. You're going to let the camera speak for you. Come on, let the camera speak for you. Let it be. Let it go. You know, kiss her, huggy, smooshies. But no dancing. No, of course. Are you Mexican here? Who's doing this? No, it's not funny. Not funny. You over there, stop it. No. Indeed, I say. How do you dance this thing?
Mexican thing.
Is that Mozart? I believe I know that. Yes, of course. Indeed, the 7/6 tone, A piano, number 7.
11.
Oh, sorry, 11. Yes, of course. And your name is, Madame?
Sophie Gaga.
And my hand, lady. Sweet. Hello, my hand.
Eso fue.
That was intended to pet her, you know. She was being